Hello and welcome. Today we are going to factorize algebraic expressions. Factorize means you have to insert a bracket by taking factors out. Before that, I'm just going to use the formula in case if you want to use ax plus bx. There is x is common, we take it out, can be written as x bracket a plus b. Okay. So this is the thing we're going to use. Anyway, we'll do a question. Okay. First question is factorize 4x square minus 10xy. Okay, if I want to do this question, first of all, there are two terms. The first term is 4x square. The second term is 10xy. Now, in each term, first we are going to look at the number component, then we go to pronumerals. So first I take 4 and 10. So if I take 4 and 10, I have to see what goes in 4 and 10. If I take 4 and 10, now both are even numbers, so 2 goes into 4 and 10. So first I write 2. Then I have the component x square, so 2 goes in both. So 2 goes in both 4 and 10. And next I'm going to write the pronumeral part, which is x square and x. When I write x square and x is going in both. So I'm just going to write x here first. Then, with no y term in the first term, but there is y in the second term. So we cannot take anything out. So now there is no more to take out. Now I'm going to put the bracket. Okay. So what I'm going to see is, I think I'll write the question again, which makes my life easier. Okay, we have seen 2 goes into both 4 and 10. 2 goes into 4 and 10. So first I took 2. Then this x goes into both x and x square. I wrote that next. Now with y nothing common, I'm just going to put the bracket. Now what I'm going to do is, when I have 2 goes into 4 twice. Then 2 goes into 10 5 times. Then x goes, so I'm going to write 2 here. And then minus 5 first. Still not finished yet. X goes into x square, which is x times. So x goes into this, cancels out. So leaving with 2x minus 5, I have to remember the y. So this is your answer. Okay, so 4x squared minus 10xy can be factorized as 2x bracket 2x minus 5y. Okay. Now, when you look at this question, we have to see so many things. First part, I have 2 and 2. Then I have pi and pi. Then I have r squared and rh. Okay. Now, when I look at this, I'm just going to write the question again. 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. When I write that, now I have to see, I'm going to see what is common. For 2 and 2, the common is 2. 2 goes into both. Then pi and pi, again pi is common. I'm writing it. Now when you look at r square and rh, in this one only r goes in both of them. So I'm writing only r. Then nothing common. So I'm going to insert the bracket. If I insert the bracket, and I'm going to insert the bracket. Now I'm just going to consider this. Okay, 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 2 once. Then pi goes into pi once. Pi goes into pi once. Then r. R goes into r square, just r. R goes into r, leaving with h. Okay, that means I can just cross r, leaving with h. So what we have left inside after crossing is our answer. So first is 1, 1, r. So 1 times r, simply r. Then the plus sign, 1 times h, just h. So your answer for the question is 2 pi r bracket r plus h. Okay? Now, let us go to this example. And when you look at this example, we have two terms. The first term is x minus 3 the whole square. The first term is x minus 3 the whole square. The second term is 5 bracket x minus 3. Okay, when you look at it, you must have something common, which is that x minus 3 in bracket, that is common. And that's about it. So I'm going to open a bracket. Now, when I have x minus 3, when I divide x minus 3 whole square by x minus 3, I get only x minus 3. So I'm going to cross this as, write it as x minus 3 left. And here, x minus 3 goes away. So your answer is, whatever is left, x minus 3 plus 5. Now we cannot stop here. We need to simplify. The next step is x minus 3 bracket. This becomes x plus 2. So this is your